Hello, good morning dear children. In our previous classes we have studied about a story of drop of water. Means water is very essential, so please don't waste water. How much water you need, take that much only. Sufficient water use it, don't waste water children. So now today we have to start a new lesson, the family of water. Means variety different. What is the main family of water? We have to study about only water today. So open your EVS textbooks, page number 43, lesson number 5. Are you open? Okay, let's start our lesson. Here in a last class also we have studied about a story of droplets, means raindrop and children. So again they are continuing with the same story. So drop of water falling, it may be rain, which what we called to the that drops of water coming flowing down from sky, from clouds, from the earth. What is it? It is the raindrops. So children said, "Oh, drop of water, are you here?" Means again you are coming to the earth. Drop of water. Drop of water said, "Children, look at these plants and trees enjoying. If it rains, they will be happy." Children, look to that plants and animals, how they are enjoying. While I am flowing from the sky to the earth, all the living beings. Children, all of you are also enjoying with the rain. While it comes, you are enjoying, you are dancing at rains at some time, you are playing in the rains. You are enjoying the rains, rainy seasons a lot. So same way, all the trees and plants are also enjoying, means they are also looks like very green in color. They are very happy. They are growing very well on that time. So they are very happy. So children say, yes, look at them. They are charming. All the plants and animals are plants and trees are very looks like a charming. Sorry. So that girl said, "Drop of water. Today I had been to river with my sister." One girl said, "Today I had gone with a river with my sister." She had gone to the visit a river with her sister. So turn page 44 children and see. Keep your fingers on word to word. While I am teaching, please try to understand the sentences and words. So, drop of water said, "Did you?" "Yes, you gone?" He is asking. That girl said, so another girl said, "The fish, frogs and crabs also in the river were also happy." So, while it rains, it flows on the river also. So, in the river there are again some animals and plants are also growing in a river water. So, which are they? Water animals? Fish, frog and crabs. They are living in a water and they are also will be very happy. Raindrop said, "See, when I come to the earth in the form of rain, all living beings feel happy, don't they?" Yes, raindrops is said. It's very correctly and it is true. While rain came, all the living beings are very happy, including us, human beings also, trees also, plants also and all the animals also. All of you are very happy for the rain. Yes, drop of water. Children said, yes, it is correct, drop of water. Next page. Drop said, "Drop by drop in the form of rain, I come to the earth." Means drop by drop. Rains are coming. Are you observe children? Rains are coming only drop by drop. It not getting continuously. So drop by drop it's coming to the earth. I flow in the form of stream and join the rivers. I flow in the form of drop by drop and I flow in the form of stream. Means stream connect. It flows in the form of stream and it's connect to the river. All the rivers flows into the sea and again all stream flows to the river, river flows to the sea. There are different kinds of plants and animals in the river and seas. You know it very well children. Some are there water animals also. Water animals and some plants are also growing in a water. So all the kinds of plants and animals in the river and seas. Here they are given one activity on page number 5. Look here, it is a picture of a river. Identify the animals, write their names in the space provided. Take one pencil and write down the names of these animals, children. Which are they? You have to identify it. First one here, write down the crocodile. They are given here crocodile. Next one swan, fish. Here again fish, tortoise, duck, snail, crab. All these are the water animals. They are living in a water. So write their names correctly. This is the activity. Write down with your pencils correct spellings. On 46, page number 46, C drop says, see, here is the picture of a sea. Look at the animals that live in the sea. Here, picture of a what they are given a one box and they are given here all the water animals in that. So, which are they? They are given here. Some of the animals are given below. Write their names below their pictures to place, name them proper habitat. Write their names in the suitable column. Here on page number 46, they are given one box and all the water animals these are. So, you have to write their names. Which one? Try to identify, children. First one is crocodile. Next one frog, dolphin, snake, tortoise, fish, crab. Next one here starfish, octopus, seahorse, jellyfish, snail. All these are the water animals. Are you written names? Okay. See this video again and write the names correctly. Turn the next page 47. Here they are given some river and sea. In a river animals are different and sea animals are different. So which animal we found in a river, children? Fish, crocodile, frog, some snake, crab and tortoise. All these are easily find out in a river. But some different animals we can find in a river. They are in sea only. So which are such type of animals are? Which are such animals? Water animals. The names of these are dolphin, octopus, seahorse, jellyfish, starfish. All these are whale, seal. All these are animals we can find in a sea, not in river. So you have to write here such names. Write down the fish, crocodile, frog, some examples in here, and octopus, dolphin, seahorse, jellyfish, starfish in this column. Okay, children. So next, raindrop says, have you seen a pond, a river or a sea? Have you seen, children, pond, river and sea? Okay, then next one, collect the picture of a plant and animals that live there. Paste them in a used notebook and write their names. This is activity, small activity, means you have to find out which we will get from river, sea. Next one boy said, oh, how many plants and animals are living in water? There are so many plants and animals which are living in a water also. Girl said, see, when it is rains, everything looks green. The plants and trees grow and become beautiful. The ponds and rivers flow full of water. Oh, how wonderful. Means that girl is telling, while it's rainy days, in a rainy season, all over area will be green. All trees and plants looks like a very green. Trees grow and become a very beautiful. Some small plants becomes a big trees. It's very beautiful to looks. The ponds and rivers flow full of water. All the ponds and rivers are full of water. How wonderful it is to see the view of that all. Next on page 48, children says, but it will be not to the same in summer. It is continuing in the same season, next summer season? No, isn't it? Not and never. In a summer season, what will happen? All they get a dry. All the rivers and ponds will get, lake will get a dry. We are suffering on that time for a water, and all the trees are the same. No, all trees also will get dry leaves. Its color will be brownish, not a true green color that time. So in a summer days they are not in the same situation. So drop of water again said true, ponds and stream will be drier, there will be less water in the rivers too. I have already told you. So children said yes, drop of water. Here they are given one activity is not to do. Okay, we will turn in the next page on 49. So activity here they are given again. Why does the level of water in the river, pond and well vary during different season? Ask your elders and how know the reason. You have to ask to your elders about that. Children, have you observed plants, trees and animals in different seasons? Have you observed children? In rainy seasons they are very greenery, or river and flows are very flow of water. In summer season, no, they are dry up. Near water should be not in rivers and dams also. And trees are also brown in color. They are not in such a type of greens colors. So children said yes, drop of water. In summer the plants and trees lose their shine due to the shortage of water. Even the birds and animals lose their liveliness. This is a good point they are told. Summer season they lose their shine. Plants lose their shine in a summer season, and all the living means birds and animals lose their liveliness. Rain drop of water again said to them, during rainy season the ponds and river flow with a yes, drop of water. In summer the plants and trees lose their shine due to the shortage of water, and all birds and animals lose their liveliness.